See, basically, coming from the finance background myself, even I have noticed this, that having this kind of cash flow issue is a major point of discussion for most of the organizations, be it service or manufacturing. More so because of manufacturing, because they are not able to have these credit terms matched, like the raw material we need to buy it upfront, and then obviously we get paid a little later. So that flow is not being able to be managed. Now, having said that, okay, now that is one part of it, which is a separate problem. Now, the day-to-day teething problem, like having the employees, some laborer takes it off, some suddenly vanishes away, goes to, and we don't know how to trace them. So a lot of issues on the casual laborers, and again having good electricity bills coming somewhere haywire. So lot of teething problems are there in manufacturing, right? So that's the reason why I feel that if a person has taken a step to become a manufacturer, loads of appraisal for them, loads of appreciation, because they are just getting into something which is डे टू डे उधर storms है. I mean, you are really not going to be having a day, single day, where you're going to be calm and saying that कि आज मेरे को कुछ issue नहीं है. Something to troubleshooting you need not do. Every day there is a different way of troubleshooting. Now, coming from your Saudi's experience, and coming from your 36 years of, great experience with various big corporates, how has it helped you to have your mind calm? Because I'm sure many of the manufacturers, when they enter, I have also met quite a few people, they've decided to quit. नहीं भाई, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है ये रोज रोज का झंझट नहीं. एंड एज यू वेरी राइटली सेड, स्ट्रेस लेवल्स आर वेरी हाई, फैमिली लाइफ बैलेंस का तो बात ही मत करो. तो हाउ डिड यू हैव दैट calmness in your head? Whenever I meet you, whenever I see you, you're always smiling. But I really understand that what is happening in your background. Like, there's a lot of things which is there, which is up for your action. Like, you really need to take an action, otherwise wo derail ho jayega. But then you're always calm, smiling. So how does that your 36 years of experience has helped you? And what is that secret which makes you smile every time?
Yeah, thank you for that, because I don't realize that I smile much, but
no, but that shows your calmness. I mean, that's what I'm trying to.
I can say two things. In fact, three things. The third thing I'll come last, but that will be my topmost importance that I give to.
Okay.
First thing is being an instrumentation engineer helps.
Oh, is it? Achha.
I'll tell you why. Especially when you, as you grow in a career, and like when I went to Saudi, I was the sole control and instrumentation engineer for the whole petrochemical plant, which has got state-of-the-art automation. Okay, and my field is in such a way that you need to understand the complete plant. Otherwise, the operation is on your head. The plant is dependent on you for giving data, for the analysis, for measurements, for controls, and it's a very safety-oriented plant, right? I mean, a small mistake anywhere can create a big impact.
Correct.
For not only for machinery but also for man. Now, working there, you need to be absolutely calm, without any emotional attachment. You need to be focused on your work. So, because for you, even for the plant running, or for any sudden problem that happens, it needs to be attended, because you can't shut down the plant. So those problem solving skills, being the calm, being really focused, and understanding that emotions are not going to take over your decisions in what you do, because one small mistake can create a big explosion. So there you are double checking yourself. You are being very comfortable. Despite the pressure situations, you are conditioned to become very like that. So that's why I told you, being an instrumentation engineer helps you.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Okay, that
really
is
good. Okay.
I think this is what makes me one. Second is having the comfort of a very good partner with you. Okay. Ravi, my business partner, I know that he can take care of anything. you are rest assured, right? I mean, he's such a confident, he knows all the answers, he can solve any of the problems. So with that as a background, you don't have to worry, because anything and everything, we are a team. See, it's not that I am doing nothing. He is doing, I am doing, but I know for sure that I have got one person whom I can bank on, who can get us out of any situation.
Okay.
So that gives me that calm demeanor. The third thing which I felt was my genes, my mom.
Oh, okay.
That's why I said, see, I mean, she has taught me some wonderful things in life. One of the most important things that she has taught me is, especially when you interact with people, make sure that the other person who meets you goes off feeling happy. Anyone, be it a top person in any person, this thing, or be it any person who is below in the society. That probably has been the biggest blessing and the learning of my life. And that has carried me, and that keeps me in good stead, to be honest.
Wow.
So these three, probably the answer is, because the question is a little unexpected. So, but then straight away, this is what I can say
Fantastic.
of being.
But when you say